Hi gamers, welcome back to new video. Be sure to subscribe our channel before we start our video. So today's video is on topic that how to improve your thumbnail. So let's begin video without any delay. First thing you must remember is your lighting. It should not be over glow, or low glow, like you can see in this thumbnail, and you must be clear with glow like, where it's coming from, like, from behind, or from left, or right. Before moving ahead in video, don't forget to click like button. Second thing which no one tells you, but it's very helpful, lighting on text, and other objects such as rank 35 bar, it makes your thumbnail highlights it, and make your thumbnail look good than others. Third and last tip is, to make background somewhat blur. So, that everyone focus, will move towards Brawler, and you may add some small particles, at lighting side of Brawler, which make it look perfect. You can see the example. So it's end of video now. If you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe our channel, and must comment what video you want me to make next. Thanks for watching.